Hi, honeys. How's your day going? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just unstuck my too tight ring from my finger. My finger is sore. Okay, well, anyway, I got an unboxing. It's from this company called BLAIN'S Farm and Fleet. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. So y'all are seeing it for the first time just like I am. Here I go with the knife again. Supposed to be asking me, will you please clean the knife off after you undo a box? You have tape stuck all on it, then stick it back in the knife rack. There you go. And I know that's ghetto, I don't know what. Still clean. Okay. Packaged up nicely. There's my invoice. Okay. I'm saving this. I'll take the little one out first. Look what I bought. And it's in it. Cajun injector, quick shake, Cajun shake seasoning. It was $1.99, so I had to get it. I want to taste it. Well, y'all will see me use this on some chicken. There's red pepper in it, celery seed, oregano, garlic, onion, and soybean oil. And okay, should be good. And I got me one of these things. It's a breader box. Look at here. You know, Booger 500 US, she's always using her Batter Pro when she breads chicken or shrimp or whatever. So I saw the Batter Pro on Amazon, but that thing cost so much. I said, no, buddy. So I found me something like it. It's nice and heavy duty. The name brand is King Cooker. Heavy duty breader box. So let me show y'all. What this costs. This was $15.99. And I saw some more that Amazon sold, but I didn't want them little bitty things. Little bitty flimsy things. As much chicken as I bread, it has to be nice and sturdy and heavy duty. Okay, well anyway, here's the separator. It's all plastic. Okay, come on now. Separate these two things. Okay, it's a crack in it. So they're getting it back, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm glad this on camera. It's a little crack. Okay. Trying to separate this without cracking it more. Come on now. I guess it wasn't that heavy duty. And I'm going to tell them that this is cracked, and I'm hoping they'll send me another one and tell me to keep this, because I can still work with this. But if I'm spending my money for it, it's supposed to be right. Come on now. I'm struggling. Probably need to prise it loose with something. Oh, there you go. I ain't gonna break my nails. All right. Okay, now what you do? You put your breading in the bottom tray. You put this on top. And you, of course, you put your meat on the black part. You close it, and the handles are big enough for you to hold it. So you just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Flip it upside down, turn it the right way. And then all the breading will drop back down to the lower tray, and your meat will be perfectly battered. Okay. So I will be contacting this company, telling them that the thing arrived cracked. They shouldn't have forced this in the corner, because there's a little dent in this. It's a little caved in just a little bit, but it's not busted. And I'm anxious to use it. I might use it first and then send it back to them. But there is a little crack, hairline crack. I don't feel anything, but I do see it. It still feels smooth on both sides of the plastic. Y'all see that? Right there. It ain't supposed to be there. I didn't spend my money, so it's supposed to be perfect. Okay, y'all, if y'all like this unboxing, I'm going to put that back like that. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll let y'all know what happened with me sending this back or not having to send it back. Okay. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Thumbs up, please. Bye.